Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to uh, discuss about the question answer of chapter number 2, that is the European colonialism. So in this video we are going to solve the exercise of chapter number 2. Okay, so here question number 1a is choose the correct alternative and rewrite the statement. So the first question is, Declaration of Independence was drafted by? The answer is Thomas Jefferson. The next question they ask you, the Second Anglo-Burmese War was fought during the times of? The answer is C, Lord Dalhousie. Question number 1b, find the incorrect pair from the group group बी एंड राइट द करेक्टेड वन. सो यहाँ पे ग्रुप ए है एंड यहाँ पे ग्रुप बी है. ग्रुप ए में दे हैव गिवन यू दी प्लेसेस जो है उसके, एंड ग्रुप बी में दे हैव गिवन यू द कॉलोनीज विच कैप्चर्ड और दोज प्लेसेस. ओके, सो द इनकरेक्ट पेयर इज आइवरी कोस्ट. सो इसका आंसर रहेगा फ्रेंच कॉलोनी. पोर्तुगीज ने नहीं किया था इधर. सो हियर दे हैव गिवन अबाउट द फ्रेंच कॉलोनी. सो ओवर द रीजन फ्रॉम सहारा डेजर्ट टू आइवरी कोस्ट. सो दिस वाज द फ्रेंच कॉलोनी. इसका आंसर आएगा फ्रेंच कॉलोनी. ओके, सो इसको करेक्ट करना है. इनकरेक्ट पेयर इज आइवरी कोस्ट, पोर्तुगीज कॉलोनी. दिस इज द रॉन्ग आंसर. सो यहाँ पे करेक्ट करके लिखना है फ्रेंच कॉलोनी. Okay, you write it. So question number 2 is, write the names of the historical places, person, event. So it is important even in this question and this question that you write the correct spelling. Okay, because if you write the wrong spelling then your marks will get deducted. So it is expected that you write the correct spelling. So the region from Florida to California on the southern coast of America was under the control of? सो इट वॉज अंडर स्पेनिश कंट्रोल. तो यहाँ पे लिखना है स्पेनिश का. ओके, द सी वोएजेस फॉर एक्सप्लोरेशन वर एनकरेज्ड इन द रेन ऑफ क्वीन. सो एलिजाबेथ वन, शी वॉज द क्वीन ऑफ इंग्लैंड. तो इसका आंसर, फर्स्ट का आंसर है स्पेनिश एंड सेकेंड का आंसर है एलिजाबेथ वन. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बी, चूज अ करेक्ट रीजन एंड कंप्लीट द स्टेटमेंट. The British wanted to gain control over Myanmar because over Myanmar. So it was rich in natural wealth and potential. So यहाँ पे ऑप्शन क्या दिया था? It was very important for them to control the natural resources and the market in Myanmar. Next question is, complete the concept map. So for this question, the causes of rise of nationalism, you are having in that question you have to write any 4 because they have given you concept map. So इधर यहाँ पे आएगा, you can write industrial consequence or you can write requirements of raw material. ये जो भी ब्लू में दिया है उसमें से कोई भी 4 कॉन्सिक्वेंस, सॉरी 4 जो भी आपको याद रहते हैं अच्छे से, यू कैन राइट देम. ओके, द फीलिंग ऑफ रेशियल सुपीरियरिटी. We have discussed about the objectives of this exercise. Now we are going to discuss about the question and answer part. Question number 4 is write short notes. So question number 1 we are going to discuss now, nature of colonialism. So come to page number 10 of the textbook. So first what thing you have to do is, first you have to write the meaning of colonialism. So you will write, colonialism is a part of imperialism. It refers to the act of a developed nation occupying the land of less developed distant nation and establishing their rule on the occupied country. This is your first point. Then ये 2.1 में इधर से लेके Europeans reach all over the world from here till the established colonies. England's troop to establish colonies. Till there you have to write the things in point, like Europeans reach all over the world with various intentions such as the urge of adventures, to earn more, to discover unknown lands, etc. gold mines, etc. Later, trade and commerce increased to a great extent, and European countries began to compete with each other. So this is the second point which you are going to write after the meaning of colonialism. So wherever the Europeans went, ये third point. ऐसे you have to bifurcate the things in points. Okay. So this was the nature of colonialism. Now next question we will move on. American War of Independence, right? So come on page number 13 of the textbook. No, come on page number 11 of your textbook. Then the first thing you have to write: the stronger European countries dominated the weaker countries by establishing colonies. Colonies there and pushed them into subjection. So in America, the European migrants seized the lands of the original inhabitants in America, and if needed, they massacred them. Okay, so this is your first point. Sorry. So this is your first point, and after that come on page number 13 of your textbook. So from here, to suit its colonial interests, England slowly began to impose the restrictions on the colony. The maritime law was passed. So this is your second point. Then this Stamp Act is your third point. ऐसे इधर से लेके ये पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखना है सिमिलर वे, मतलब पॉइंट्स में बाइफर्केट करना है. दिस इज योर फोर्थ पॉइंट फ्रॉम योर. सो ऐसे छोटे पॉइंट्स में बाइफर्केट करना है. एंड देन टिल योर ऑन पेज नंबर 14 ऑफ योर टेक्स्ट बुक. ओके, आफ्टर तो यहाँ पे अमेरिकन रेवोल्यूशन है, नोन एज अमेरिकन रेवोल्यूशन. So इधर तक लिखना है. So these are the things which you have to write about the question number second. So if you want, you can also further extend. अगर आपको इतना तो लिखना ही है, and if you further want to extend, then you can write this point that the Americans proved the world that the subjects that have right to fight the rulers who deny them their natural right. It is said that the state without a king is a phenomena which is a gift to the world from America. If you want this, then you can also write this point. Now the question number 5. We will move on. Question number 5. Explain the following statement with reason. Now they have asked us, the Industrial Revolution gave momentum to colonialism. So on page number 8. Okay, on page number 8. So you have to write this first 3 lines from your textbook. Industrial Revolution indicates the transition from manual production to mechanized production. इतना लिख के लिखना है and come to page number 10 again. And फिर यही लिखना है, colonialism refers to the act of a developed nation occupying the land of a less developed distant nation and establishing their rule on the occupied country. So यहाँ पे the question क्या था हम लोगों का, the industrial revolution gave momentum to colonialism. So here we wrote the meaning of industrial revolution and we also wrote the meaning of colonialism. Okay, so this is your first point, and after that you have to write the second point. One of the main characteristic यहाँ से यहाँ तक till final products तक. So one of the main characteristic of colonialism is transport the raw material from the colonies to one's own country to use the colonies as a marketplace for selling their final products. Okay, so this is your second point. Next, come to the last paragraph of page number 10, left hand side last paragraph. There was a commercial revolution in 15th century in Europe. So ये पूरा लिखना है till over here, themselves firmly in Asia, Africa, यहाँ तक. Okay, so this is your next point, third point. Okay, then wherever the Europeans went, they established their colonies. This is your fourth point. Then you will write the fifth point. Europeans needed to capture newer marketplaces for selling their surplus goods, and increasingly ये revolution तक, industrial revolution तक. Then here begins your sixth point. This is your seventh point here. देन दिस इज 8 पॉइंट, ऐसे धीरे धीरे यू हैव टू राइट दिस थिंग्स यहाँ तक. ओके, दिस एंड दिस इज योर आंसर. हो गया, इतना ही है. You have to bifurcate this point. I am not going to bifurcate it, so you have to bifurcate these points. And if you don't want to bifurcate the points, so you can also write all मतलब यहाँ पे already bifurcated points है, like colonialism was a result of industrial revolution. Production increased enormously because of new machines. However, the rate of local consumption was lesser. मतलब ये पूरा पैराग्राफ अगर आपने देखा, सो इट इज़ सिमिलर टू दिस पॉइंट. एंड इसके बाद रॉ मटेरियल वाला पार्ट है, वहाँ पे सेकेंड पॉइंट भी रॉ मटेरियल का है. सो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी बाइफरकेटेड है वो पॉइंट्स, सो यू कैन टेक हेल्प ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो इफ़ यू वांट. सो इतना लिखना है इधर तक, दैट्स इट. तो आपको आइदर ये पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं और विच आर गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 10, या फिर इधर जो पॉइंट्स दिए हैं ये लिख सकते हो 11 पेज नंबर पे. पर यहाँ पे सभी पॉइंट्स आपको नहीं लिखने, जो भी इधर दिए हैं और उसके जो सिमिलर पॉइंट्स हैं पेज नंबर 11 पे वही लिखना है. बट यू कैन राइट दिस, जो अभी मैंने जो आंसर बोला है इधर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट का, इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन एंड रेवोल्यूशन गेव मोमेंटम टू कॉलोनियलिज्म. ओके, इसका आंसर है. नेक्स्ट हम लोग देखेंगे यूरोपियन नेशंस एस्टैब्लिश्ड कॉलोनीज इन अमेरिका. इसका आंसर यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा, पेज नंबर 11 ऑफ योर टेक्स्ट बुक. ओके, पेज नंबर 11. सो you can write the stronger European countries dominated the weaker countries by establishing colonies there and pushed them into subjection. So in America, you have to write in America, the European migrants seized the land of the original inhabitants in America and in America if needed massacred them. So ये जो point है you can write this as a second point. ये उससे पहला था, that was your first point, the stronger countries वाला. this is your first point, here starts your second point. एंड ऐसे ही यहाँ पे थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स, ऐसे यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द पॉइंट्स टिल ईयर क्वीन एलिजाबेथ तक. ओके, यहाँ पे जो क्वीन एलिजाबेथ है यहाँ तक. ओके, पेज नंबर 13 का पेज नंबर 13 में जो सेकेंड लास्ट पैराग्राफ है, सॉरी थर्ड लास्ट पैराग्राफ है, एलिजाबेथ तक, यहाँ तक यू हैव टू राइट दैट थिंग. यू हैव टू बाइफरकेट द थिंग्स इन पॉइंट्स. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो and we have completed the exercise of chapter number 2 of our history, European of history. Chapter name was European colonialism.